Hello, welcome to CNY Weathertainment, Tuesday edition. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. I encourage you to follow me on Twitter at 140 characters or less. I can tell you severe weather watches and warnings or special weather updates. I can share pictures with you on Instagram and Weathertainment-related news on Tumblr. For instance, if you had Tumblr and you were following me, you would know that live stream broadcasts every day at 5:55, your local current forecast right here on Weathertainment at 5:55 every evening on live stream. In addition to that, are you on Periscope? You should be. It's fun. It's interactive. I can immediately comment without even having to touch the screen. And the beauty of that is, on Tuesday, I'm joining up with the Utica College hockey team to play on the ice for a scrimmage at 2:45. I won't be able to be interactive after I introduce it for the first minute and a half. Once I get in goal, I'm kind of busy. But you can tune in and out as you like for the next 90 minutes and watch me scrimmage with the Utica College hockey team. So that's a really cool deal. I was so happy when Coach called me and said, "Hey, we need a goalie." I'm in, Coach. Put me. For years I've been saying, I'm in. I finally am. 44 is the average high, 54 for Tuesday, 55 for Wednesday, and 60 for Thursday. The computer model guidance has been going a little bit too cool. It's actually a few degrees colder than these numbers. And I've been going a little bit above them, and it's actually winding up being even a little bit above me, which I'll show you on the almanac in a moment. So I'm going to stay high and dry until Thursday. That's a windy, wet day, transitioning where it's, big bumps, down to 48s for Friday and Saturday. The weekend looks, instead of rain Saturday night, let's move it up to Saturday. And it looks colder than I thought by a few degrees for Sunday as a result. 3 weather headlines. Temperatures stay above the red line through Thursday and even Friday, Saturday, but that's because the red line's getting so low. The next umbrella day, you need it for Thursday, and no snow yet, but the weekend does look colder. Now remember, a few weeks ago I told you to file away in the back of your mind that after the 20th it would turn colder. It's going to wind up happening on the 22nd. High pressure, large, in charge, quiet weather. Look out for fog first thing on Tuesday morning, but then it'll burn off just like it did Monday morning. Storms gathering steam. The first one was in Texas yesterday, or 2 days ago. Now it's up in Minnesota. Second one forming, so it's becoming a pretty organized and significant frontal boundary, and it will move in, not today, not Wednesday, but Thursday, late morning and afternoon. And then it'll turn colder behind it, and you can see the evidence of that from the radar turning from green to blue. So that's definitely colder air, even though that is the Rockies, still, it is definitely turning colder. Now, in the short term, you don't have to worry about anything because that's the state of New York, the great state of the Empire State, is quiet. Not a thing to be found within its borders. And after fog burns off, the high stays, large in charge, and the sun will come out in full force with hardly a cloud in the sky, late morning and afternoon. And a pretty clear Tuesday night, again, much like Monday night. Almanac time. I said 52:36. I was the closest, even compared to the computer models or the weather service, or the TV stations. And still, it went 2 above me, and it went 2 below me. But that's okay. I'll have your forecast in a moment.
Hey, Coach, we need you in the team now.
Yeah, give me a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Hey, Coach, what play are we going to run off the face-off this time?
Hey, I'll tell you in a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Tuesday's forecast, low clouds and fog early on. By about 10 o'clock in the morning, it'll start breaking off. Not much wind, high of 54. Tuesday night, clear, fog late, 28. 55 again for Wednesday with fog early, then partly sunny. And then Thursday's the day you need the umbrella. Friday, kind of a battleground sky, mix of cloudy and sunny periods, but colder. Saturday, some showers as opposed to Saturday night. And then Sunday, the coldest day of the lot, but it'll begin to clear up for Sunday into Monday. That's your 7-day forecast. Spread the word. Make it a great day.